Come here, you, Miss Tina. Tina, let me tell you something. When you come out and you do your life and you feel like so you delete them, I'm going to answer you. I'm going to answer you nicely. Let me tell you something. Don't play with me. Tina, don't you dare ever try. When you meet Danet over here, you don't know if me have kids. When you meet me, never trouble you. Me never trouble you. I'm not done with you. Let me tell you something, Tina. Tina, man who want me for there with more than you. You know why? Me have a crutches, a vagina between my leg, not a judgment bag like you. Me care for my kids. Me is not a turtle mother like you. I am not a turtle mother like you, nasty Tina. Tina, come here. Tina, look on you. Tina, you should not cook the people. Tina, you say you have a business. The only business you have is to make problem and fasting at every other people business. You don't have no business. You don't have no life. Why your tongue after white? Tongue must pink. All germs, tongue must pink. You abuse substance. You is nothing more than a junkie and a drunkard till you don't even feel half pound of bugu in your nose hole. Tina, who you are bright with? Don't you ever dare, let me tell you something. Stagnant drunkard Tina Chin, don't play with me. Me not promote no bun for you. The old dirty bun where you have a sell, you know, for cook the people. Where you ever hear people up, so you want a pile, you want to pile up people belly, like how for you one pile up. You know. So you meet the woman over here, you sit down on your life and it boasts and say you have somebody in a carousel which was dirty than it. So now make it look now like me I tell no lie upon you. And you tell the woman, say the woman for go take picture and me pick me them. So now come out now and go on like say you not do it. Don't you ever dare look how long me I say it and you never come out and say you not do it till now. Let me tell you something, Tina. Me not done. And me is no walk over. You say you come out for me with your father money where you thief, you make your mama there Jamaica and one buy your ticket and can't come up. You stinking dirty Tina make your mother there at Jamaica and one come up and can't come up because you thief the woman money. Thiefing Tina, don't play with me. Nasty Tina we got Jamaica on a 3-day vacation special and don't be. They look greasy. Look on the half pound of bugo big like a cement up in your nose hole. You abuse substance till your feelings all over your body gone. Don't you ever dare play with me. You're bright, and when you do your life, you delete it and feel like you can't come for nobody because you don't know nothing about nobody to tell nobody. You cannot play. Don't you ever dare try to come for nobody because me not trouble you. Nobody is a troublemaker. You're bad man, you're stagnant, you're delusional. Coke drunker. Left me alone. You want me go back down and come up back and come read. Look a nasty girl where you and your mama and your daughter me no take no set for me. I know me swap out your underneath for your judgment bag. Allow me look a dirty nasty mad delusional 2-foot drunk. Allow me. Every time you come out, you come tell and you come out and come go and like say, make me tell you something, look a coke old dead dog. Don't you ever dare. Case lady come out what day come talk. She never see when you did that on live yesterday you trouble me. She never see when you did that on live and I come trouble me. She big and stink and favor them big no stink here the mango. That's why the only man she can get chat about people with Jamaican mentality. She have American mentality and the only man she can get is a cokehead like her mama. Look pan this big old dirty woman. Come out pan people with half pound of booger and you make cake the people. You come from Jamaica and you say you make cake. Look pan your nails. You make cake the people with half pound of booger in your nose. You're nasty like I go and put it up and put up the cake. You think I have not too much argument with you? I go and post you up bankrupt, drunk. No play with me. Go pay your bills. If the government is sorry for CJ, you're homeless. Don't you dare. You're nasty and stink like an underprivileged, stagnant crowbait. Girl, go here. A big dirty woman get up with booger in her nose and who have disease and who have that. Where you have? You think eloquent, dirty woman. You big and stink like more don't want to know how behind your ears smell. It must smell like the thinking water. Well, from there, Jamaica, see, I got that try the problem out of Spanish Town Road and Earwood Street. You behind your ears supposed to think kind of your neighbor button. Because look on a big, you have a feel, you smoke, you take too much coke. You sniff too much drugs. The feelings in your nose gone. Half pound of booger in your nose. And you bake cake for people. And you see everything where you go on you couldn't feel the booger in your nose. You're nasty and stink like you got Jamaica greasy and dirty with one big stinking dirty front wig on your head when not even do. Hey, dirty woman, go on, you know. Dirty, nasty, trouble, drunk, go on. Woman, when you're your daughter, your mama share, man, go on, you know. Walk far from me. Marian Walters, McLeod, go look for Mr. McLeod, we don't have the Bronx when I want you. But you had the live and delete it. Coupon you. Your body favor went and you had make Camille porridge and it turn in a ton Camille. Hey, look your body corrupted like your mind. Hey, look nasty girl Tina Chin. Stay right over there, so stay in your stagnant lane here. Cause we come out I will come out here, come rub out here, your generation, the man don't care. Yeah, your daughter them a compete for man, breast and everything. You get up and take up your big stinking dirty self with your half pound of booger in your nose. Look all your teeth. Hey, look at dirty girl. Don't make me have nothing because I not argue with no drunker when I done teeth. Me have 31 and a half teeth in my mouth. Yeah? Me not argue with no dirty nasty drunker. I must say the 16 teeth in your mouth make you feel like say you're 16. But you're an old fowl. We are going like you're spring chicken. If you're healthy and tan, so. Me not look a balloon body now, say, woman, leave me alone. Go look treatment for take out the old corruption where the doctor left in you where you thief the PP loan money. 1/3, 3/4 body nasty, dirty thinking Tina. Walking dead Tina Chin, Marian Walters, McLeod. Go away. Your mouth think like you don't even done teeth yet. A big old dirty nasty woman like you. You don't even done teed. Tina, because you not have no hole. Tina, we always a come through our mouth. Tina, don't play with me. Tina, you're the only woman who see organism through their mouth. And you're the only woman who see discharge come out of your mouth. Don't play with me. Don't you ever dare. You stink and bright and out of order. You can't get man, you get pedophile. You are the only drunk we missy. Discharge a come out of them mouth and get organism in them mouth. No wonder how them be call you upside down and turn over Tina because they say it look like you talk through your hole. Me no know where you have this so. Look by your mouth and you come out to argue with people. Look by your mouth and you're the first somebody when I say discharge. And when I done I'm going to dig you up and put you back up. Discharge are coming in. Woman come to her mouth, leave me alone. And the whole heap of discharge where you put out through your mouth, rotten out your teeth, you'll go furnish your mouth and construct your hole and leave me alone, yeah? Because you're the only somebody me say do body and still can't get a man. When you do your life and delete them and feel like me not go come, me I go come. Me will take time but me I go come. Chrissy, you can sit down and a discharge through your mouth and a talk about who have disease and who have this and who have that. I look on the half pound of bugo where I come out through your mouth. Go away now. Go away, yeah, me people. Me I come out for the life because I don't want to get too rude in the Monday. Best up on yourself.